Hi, I'm Joseph Hoffman, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to play the iconic Minecraft melody from Minecraft Volume Alpha. Yes, I realize that Minecraft features many different awesome music tracks, like this one called Danny, or this one, Hagstrom, but the one we're learning today this is simply titled Minecraft by Daniel Rosenfeld, the composer, also known by username C418. Let's come to the piano to start learning it. Now let's find our position. This is my middle C. So on your piano, find your middle C and then go up to the nearest group of 3 black keys. The right hand is going to start by playing with finger 2 and 4 on these 2 outer notes of the group of 3 black keys. And you'll hold that for 2 beats. 1, 2. Now you try. Good. Then after we play that, then we play this using our finger 3, which is your middle finger, this note in the middle of the 3 black keys, and you'll just hold that for 1 beat. So altogether we get 1, 2, 1. Now you try. Good. Now after that, we're going to play with finger 1, which is our thumb, on this black key here, which is the top note of the 2 black keys. So we'll play, and we'll hold that for 2 beats, by the way. So 2 beats, then 1 beat, then 2 beats. And the number of beats will help the timing to be just right. So it's important to count in your mind 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, now you try. Once again, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Now you try. Good. And then we come back to this key all by itself with finger 2, your pointer finger, and we'll hold that for 3 beats. So altogether we get 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2 beats, 1 beat, 2 beats, then 3 beats. Now you try. Ready, go. And then when you play it at full speed, it will start to sound like Minecraft. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's about the speed. Now you try. And once you kind of get the hang of it, you don't have to count in your mind. Just think of how you want it to sound. But the counting will help you at first. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Pause if you want some extra practice with that. Otherwise, let's go to the next phrase, which is very similar. We start with 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So far, it's exactly the same, but then finger 2 is going to glide over and let your other fingers come along for the ride. And then we play this D flat right here, the lowest note of the 2 black keys. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Once again, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Now that whole line will repeat 3 times. And since we've already played it once, that means a total of 4 times. Now, we won't do that right now. Let's look at what the left hand is doing. The left hand position, here's my middle C. You're going to come down below, skip the group of 3 black keys and find the group of 2 black keys and place your pinky, which is finger 5, on this lowest of the 2 black keys. Then finger 2 will be on the lowest of the 3 black keys. And then finger 1 will be this highest key of the 3 black keys, which we call B flat. So these are the 3 notes you're going to need for the left hand. Using fingers 5, 2, and 1, find that position. For the left hand, we hold for 3 beats on this first note, then 2 beats, then 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, you try. With me, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good. And then with the right hand, putting it together, we get 1, 2. Notice those play together, then the right hand's going to play this A flat all by itself. 1, 2, 1, and then together, together. And notice when they go together, the left hand's playing finger 2, then 1. The right hand's playing 1, then 2. So pointer finger and thumb, then thumb and pointer finger. So it kind of makes that little pattern. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Pause and work on that for a little bit until you get the hang of it. Maybe a little tricky at first. Notice when they play together, when the right hand plays by itself, this one key plays all by itself while the left hand is still holding, and then together, together. And the number of beats is important. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Pause to work on that by yourself, then press play when you're ready to go on. Now let's look at this next pattern. The left hand just plays the same thing again here, the D flat, then the G flat, and then it just holds that. It doesn't play this note this time in this next pattern. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. The right hand crosses over. Remember, all your fingers come over, but the left hand's just going to keep holding that note. So this time's easy. The left hand just plays these two keys. Watch it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Now, if the left hand feels like, this is way too hard, it's okay to just play the right hand and still has that Minecraft sound. Of course, if you can add in the left hand, it's going to sound even cooler. And notice what I just did. It will sound coolest of all. Level 3 is adding in the damper pedal. And actually, this is really quite easy because all you have to do, if you have a piano with a pedal or a damper, or sometimes called the sustain pedal if you have a digital piano. It's the farthest right pedal of your piano if you have multiple pedals, and just hold that pedal down and makes this really dreamy, magical sound. And like I said, we'll repeat that 3 times. I won't take the time to do that now. You can try that on your own. Pause if you'd like a little bit of time to practice playing it, hands together, using the damper pedal. Otherwise, let's look at what happens next. We're going to go into creative mode on line 2. In piano playing, what creative mode is improvising. When you improvise on the piano, there are no right or wrong notes. You are going to make it up. Just like being in creative mode and you can build whatever you want, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Same thing with piano. When you improvise, there's no right or wrong. You can play whatever you want to play, whatever sounds good to you. Now, with the Minecraft improvisation we're going to do, the right hand is only going to play black keys because that will sound best with what the left hand is doing. The left hand's just going to keep playing this same pattern we did before, where we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, with the damper pedal down. 1, 2, 3, 1. And then this time we hold it down for 5 beats. But again, don't worry so much about counting the beat. You can just kind of go with the flow, and the right hand can play anything it wants to on the black keys. Notice sometimes I was playing 2 keys together. That's called a chord, when you play 2 or more notes at the same time. That can have a cool sound. Or you can play 1 note at a time. Anything you want to create there, be creative, have some fun. You can go as high or as low as you want, and you'll repeat that once, and then on the 3rd line, it goes back to the main theme. Notice these instructions: repeat, ad lib, and fade. Repeat ad lib means repeat as many times as you want to, and will gradually fade quieter and quieter until you can barely hear it. And that's how it will end. It'll just fade into nothing. So let's try a full playthrough. If you'd like to try playing along with me, you can, or you can just listen. And it's okay to just play right hand alone. If you want an extra challenge, you can try it hands together. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll start. And remember, we're going to do the repeats, and there'll be some time to improvise. Let's have some fun playing Minecraft. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two more times. And last repeat now. It's time to improvise. Last line. It's going to start to fade away. As you can play. Great job today learning how to play Minecraft by Daniel Rosenfeld. Remember that you can buy the sheet music to support the composer and Hoffman Academy by using the link below. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing.
Hey, Scuba, here's one for you. Why did the creeper cross the road?
I don't know.
To get to the other side.
You know, that sound gives me nightmares.
I know.
Speaking of creepers, did you hear about the creeper-only party?
No.
It was a blast.
Creeper!
Run!
It was just me.
Huh? Ah!